Okay, so there are two workarounds for dealing with vertical videos in iMovie on iOS. One is the better way, but slightly trickier to work with, and then the other one is the opposite. I'll show you the better way first. So I'm already here in my iMovie, and I've got two vertical videos that I've just chucked in. You can see they've kind of been cropped to square. So what we want to do is tap on the clip, and then make the rotating gesture with your fingers on the top half of the screen. So I'm just going to spin it like that. See how it's rotated? To fill the screen, I'll tap on whatever other clips I've got and do the same. So there you go. It is currently a sideways video. Now I want to export this, so click on tap done, tap on the share sheet down the bottom, tap save video. All right, cool, so it's in Photos. Let's switch out to Photos. And there it is, sideways in Photos. Now tap on Edit up the top right. Then tap the bottom right icon, which is the, I don't know, like little squares with the spinny circles. And then up the top left, the second icon. So you just rotate it. And then you hit done, and it'll save it. Kind of in the background, it's still doing the work, as you can see at the bottom left. So that's the better way of doing it, because you end up with like a better res video. But anyway, let's switch back into iMovie to show you the other way. Let's edit that again. And I'm just going to reset this to how it was. All right, so this time I'm going to tap the magnifying glass at the top right underneath that question mark. Now it says pinch to zoom, so I'm just going to pinch it in, and then same on the next clip. It still saved my mode, pinch to zoom. All right, so now we're going to export it. And what it's going to do now is it's going to export a horizontal or a normal video with our content in the middle. Let's switch back to Photos. And we'll find it there, the latest one. And what we want to do is tap Edit. Tap that icon again down the bottom right next to done, and then simply drag on the handles to crop our video into vertical. Tap done. So why is one way better than another? Now that way we just did is cropping a lot of the resolution out of the video. So you're going to end up with a lower res video. But why is it easier to work with? Well, if you're doing something like adding titles or effects or anything else to the video, you don't have to add them in sideways. You can just add them in the normal way and they will be fine. Whereas in the other mode, the other workaround, you would actually have to add in your titles and such sideways so that when you rotated it later, it would be in the correct orientation. So hopefully that was helpful and not a 10-minute video to do this like a lot of people put out.